Alright guys, so I'm presuming you've watched the video about task 4 and the posters. You've got yourself a partner and you're working in pairs. The first step obviously is considering what are the actual problems. Now I said to do this in the form of a mind map. So you obviously got to think of the problems that teachers face and the problems that students face. So you might do 2 mind maps, for instance. I'm going to start and do an example with the teachers. So I'm using Google Drawings here. What's great about this is you can share it with people. So if I wanted to work, say, with, I don't know, let's say I want to work with Mr. Grant next door, I can share with him and he can work with me. So once I've got this up, I've got, I think, 5 problems, start coming up with the problems. I've done 1 example already, and these are problems that teachers might be facing. So the problems they might have are that they report no students come to their Zoom meetings, their online meetings. Now, when you've done this, you and your partner need to think of solutions to fix this problem. I would suggest thinking of at least 2 solutions and then picking the best one and explaining why. So, having an official rule that students cannot email outside school hours, I pick that as the best. The reason being is the other 2, I think, are not fair to other students. The other one is a system where a grade will be given for students who regularly attend meetings. I don't think that's fair because some students really don't need to, and it's kind of unfair to punish them and make them attend if they don't need to be there. And teachers cannot send video material, only live classes, forcing students to attend. Again, I don't think that's appropriate. I think that punishes teachers and students. I think that the video materials are helpful, but if we need students to come to meetings, then perhaps this forces them to do that if they have a question. So I've got a problem, and I've got 3 solutions, and I've picked the best one. Now, when I've got my 5 problems and my solutions, and I've got the best solution for each problem, I can go on and start making my poster. Now, remember, you need to do this for teachers and for students, but you're working in pairs. Now, I said to use the website DesignCap. You don't even need to really make an account. I haven't. You can go through and you can look at templates. So, I quite like this one. This one's pretty decent. I don't like the colour. And you can have a little look and you just customize. You just pick one and customize it. You can look for infographics. This coronavirus one poster. Let's have a look at some posters. The infographic ones I find actually are really good. So I've used an infographic because you've got so much you can put on there. Like this one's really good. I like this one. This is quite sort of sexy. The black and the red. So yeah, pick whichever poster you think is best and most appropriate. Obviously, if it's like got pictures, you will have to remove them or replace them, but that's not difficult. And it looks like something like this. So I've started. So struggling teaching online, here are some tips to help you. Are your students not attending your Zoom meetings? Consider having an official rule that students cannot email outside of school hours. And I'm going to add to this, I'll put a picture, and I'd probably add another text box that just says something like, this does not punish anyone who... I'll just explain why I picked it, basically. So there's a bit of an explanation there. Why did I pick it? I'll put that underneath and change the text size. So this does not punish anyone who doesn't need to attend sessions by forcing them, but holds students accountable should they decide not to attend but ask questions late at night. So I'll just explain why I picked that. A little bit there. Perfect. Done. I'll move around a bit. I'll play and put this down there. I can change that. I can add pictures, photos. There you go. Elements, pick shapes and stuff like that. You just add to it, make your poster. When you finish, click save, share, and go from there. That's it. Good luck.